Hey guys, this is Mitesh Khatri here. I am in Sikkim in the biggest monastery in India called Rumtek Monastery, and that's the monastery you see right behind me here in Sikkim. I've also been told this is the second biggest monastery in Asia. So it's a wonderful experience being here, and I wanted to make a small video which is very relevant to the kind of environment that this is right now, which is a monastery. So this video is about a very important question about that people have been asking me about law of attraction based on my second book. That why doesn't law of attraction work sometimes? People are trying to manifest, people are trying to visualize, use gratitude, use affirmations, but they're not able to attract what they really want. And what do they do about it? So here's the answer to that question: why law of attraction doesn't work for you sometimes. The very important reason why law of attraction doesn't work for a lot of people is because they're too attached to their goals. They're too attached to attracting something in their life. And that attachment creates a lot of anxiety, it creates a lot of worry, it creates a lot of tension, it creates a lot of fear of failure. And the more you're vibrating at that fear, that worry, that anxiety, that's negative frequency, right? So how can you attract something at negative frequency? You're going to only attract more negativity towards you. A participant, a student recently asked the same question about why law of attraction doesn't work for her. And she was full of tension. Her eyes were full of worry. Her facial expressions were completely tensed. So I could obviously see that she's vibrating at an extreme negative frequency, and because of which she's attracting all the negative things in her life. So what do? Well, the best thing that you can do is accept reality the way it is. If you're going through struggle, then just go through it. If you're going through some bad situations of life, then just go through it. How? You just accept it and learn to be happy in whatever situation you are into. Because the fact is that at night, if you've not attracted what you want, when you're sleeping at night, what have you really changed anyways? On the contrary, you've got more worried. So you've just attracted more negative frequency towards you, right? So whatever struggles you're going through, whatever difficult situations you're going through, learn to be happy in those situations. Learn to have gratitude even for the negative situations of your life. Learn to be peaceful. Learn to accept that situation completely. And whatever you're attracting, whatever you're trying to manifest, whatever you're trying to attract in your life, just close your eyes and believe that you've already got it. And even though you're not getting it in the meantime, just be peaceful with it. Completely accept it. The one question that you have to ask yourself is, are you okay if you don't get it? Are you okay if you don't get it? If you're not okay with not getting it, that means you're still very strongly attached to it. Listen, anyways, what do we want from anything in life? Happiness, right? A sense of emotion of certainty, peace, happiness out of achieving something in life. You can create that anyways in any moment by doing nothing, by achieving nothing. Just be peaceful right now in this very moment. Close your eyes, listen to my voice, take a deep breath, and just feel peaceful. You're in this beautiful monastery right now with me. And there's no reason to be unhappy in life, even though you have lack of money or lack of relationships or some problems going on in your personal and professional life. Doesn't really matter. All we really want from achieving anything in life is just a feeling. And that feeling we can create irrelevant of achieving something or not. And the beauty is the moment you create that feeling within yourself, it doesn't matter now what you attract. And that's the space of attraction. That's the space of positive attraction. Okay? So that's why a lot of times people are not able to attract what they want, because they're vibrating at a negative frequency of strong attachment, strong anxiety, strong worry, strong fear of failure. So let go of all of that. Be peaceful, be happy, believe that you've already got what you want, and just let go after that. Bhagavad Gita says, Karm kar, phal ki chinta mat kar. Because the more you are in chinta, the more you're in worry, the more you're vibrating at the negative frequency. Okay, so that's the message for today. I hope that helps you. Please do leave some comments below in the video below if you want to share anything about how did you like the video, or what did you learn from it, how it's going to help you. And if you want more friends to know about this particular answer of why law of attraction doesn't work, and you want to share this message with them, then please feel free to forward this video and this blog with your friends and family, and read my book, The Law of Attraction. It'll give you more details about the law of attraction. Okay, so subscribe to the YouTube channel, subscribe to my website, to the blog, for more regular free training programs on law of attraction and many other topics every week. Okay, bye-bye, and be peaceful from here in Sikkim, from the biggest monastery in India. Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care, guys.